the things that y'all do to people, the things that y'all tolerate and let go on, I'm going to need y'all to be careful. Do not let a device rule y'all, rule it. And I ain't going to tell y'all no more. You know, when the people say, oh, if I get serious, it's getting serious. It's been serious. It's just, oh no, forget it. Don't worry about number. We shouldn't. All our lives, we're going to sit and worry about numbers and worry about this and worry about that, when the things that we need to worry about. Time out. No chance. That's why I said, if a prophet don't see me for who I am, or never in life again, I've had the opportunity. My actions will never fall short with this man upstairs, because he know where to look. So if I make it this far and I tell y'all the truth like how I tell y'all, yes, it's hard to understand, because I make it as such. A lot of times I do it on purpose. A lot of things I do it on purpose. The things that come out my mouth, as far as bad language, which it's not. If a person don't understand a pastor, a prophet, or somebody like that, a real one, a hot one, then it becomes a time where you just have to speak to them in their own language and let them understand. And this is what I take time out of like 4 and some change years and try to tell y'all. But I don't like to divide people. Here in this diaspora, a lot of good came, peak, and left. And they stay silent. You know why? A lot of things going on. A whole lot of brush up needs to go on. Understand what beauty is. Understand what niceness is. Understand all of that. Because what y'all look like what y'all be looking at and the things that y'all do, it's not. You know. I got all the juice. I got all the tea. I'm always lit. But I'm always putting that man first no matter what I do. Sometimes y'all don't see my own devotion. I don't go to any one devotion. And it has to be a certain people where I go to their devotions. He said, don't be tricked and don't be fooled, and I'm not. Like a lot of you suffer from that. A person that speak without solution, no need. If you have one, of course. But to tell y'all something, Ping love the Lord. You hear me? No matter what. And I'm going to always be like this, because to drop all of what I have behind me, of course I could come out here and talk to you guys, you know, like the good people and stuff like that. But I don't, that time is not for me, and it will happen. Or you can see it, or you could tell. You got to use what God give you and what he bless you with. I'm not easily fooled by no one. Their actions, body language, none of that. And this is all my setup. Like, I don't know what other people's setups are, but my setup is a bit different. We're so used to our people, you know, the same old, same old. I'm not supposed to be that way. You have to make yourself standoffish. Not standoffish, but stand out for him. So he can see you. I don't care to be noticed by people, but I care to be noticed by this man. You understand me? A lot of us, we use our eyes and we look at the wrong things sometimes, and it causes y'all to get in trouble sometimes when we need to be looking at the right thing. Yeah. But may y'all day be blessed and all of these things, because I gotta speak to my cousin today. And I really want to apologize for what my adopted cousin been doing online and things like that. So I'm going to be somewhere else speaking on it. And I don't want to make this day go out before I do it. So I'm going to be speaking. Georgia, I'm going to be talking to my adopted cousin here. Miss Sunday, I'm going to speak to my adopted cousin. Pay. On the other side. Yeah. She paid me a visit yesterday. In a long time. Discipline is what I say. I have a disciplined spirit, if in case you never know. Yeah? I'm an old soul. But vibrant, very vibrant. You understand? I just know what that man upstairs has done throughout my 40, well, I would say like 42 years or something. So 3 of them years we're going to take it off. But yeah. And sometimes y'all might get me to exercise, you know what I'm saying, like the bloodline that I come out of. Depends on what it is. And who it is. Of course. Very cool in the spirit. That I'm very cool, like, you know what I'm saying, just being regular, but I am. I'm not asking them nothing, you know. Nothing. These are things that I'm telling them. I am cool in the spirit. You hear me say? I know me purposely, I do things backwards. I think the Most High wanted it like that. For me to experience things backwards. So meaning I was born in Jamaica, but I don't know Jamaica. I only know over here. And all the things that I know and that I gather, or I could just be doing something and it just go and fly off and go somewhere else. I have experience. So when they hear nonsense and when they hear like little things like that, my spirit don't like it. It goes off. I don't know like me. That's why I like to talk to big people. I don't like to talk to nobody where I run down young. Nobody that's older than me that's trying to run down young. It's something that you have to have. Oh, none of them. And I have my reason. I go to God with everything, you know. I tell him. If you don't want to call Ping Ping a snitch, I'm a snitch in the spirit. Me go back and tell him what Uno I do. Because I would never let the universe catch me. So that means if somebody from over here that's well up there that see me on the streets and be like, what was you talking about? It's a pleasure for me to explain myself. I've done that already. But I don't talk. Because you see some people now, them love, I understand that my people so they love run down certain things. Yeah? I don't only look for certain things. So I treat it as I just treat it as such. When them do what them do and spoil themselves out here, so me nah do. Them type of something I spoil myself in the spirit. Because this is bigger than what anybody think or anybody try to game and speak on. That is not right. There's not much y'all gonna see. I can't come out there with myself and just talk to me, you know. I just make me just, my spirit just take me. I'm just lick out with me lick. People have a duck. I don't care where you sitting at or just don't listen. But even when you don't listen, guess what? Una either appear like some people will never believe nothing yet. I don't wait till the final day for something knock on the door. And then I don't believe certain things. I cannot do that. May I have respect. Yes, at time, if you don't respect time and God, you're nobody to me. And if you don't respect truth. Because he tell us to come in spirit and in truth, not in spirit and in lies. Yeah. I can almost guarantee y'all that, look, whatever I'm doing, it's for a reason. And I'm not changing myself. To change myself is to lower my standards. Like real talk. They don't know how to hold reasonings with people they watch. But you see, when God bless you, it's a different type of aroma, different type of swag, different type of, you could just come up and tell people that you don't care. That's me. You see what I mean? I'm not one of them that ever, I don't remember myself at the age that I am just sitting there and asking the Lord for anything. Because I don't. I truly don't. Not for what other people ask him for. I ask him for the simplest things. And this been going on before I hit 20. Because I went through different phases. And I'm very much so like a toddler in the spirit because, you know, I don't know nothing. So what I'm living off of is what was taught to me. You see what I mean? And what was taught to me, you understand, it's no joke because it's playing out in my face, but I'm not here to tell anybody. I'm just living off of my experience and that's it. Even my truth, that's like me walking down the street with a bag. It's my truth. I bear a witness, but not a false witness. Yeah, tell the truth. Out on social media here in this diaspora, let me tell you something. Even if I was bad off and I was a bad person in life, in real life, and even on here, because it's the same thing, y'all would have been able to tell already. You hear me? Some of them ain't gonna make it on that train. We already know this by how they do time. The things that they do to the Most High, knowing that he ain't like that. So when they say things out of their mouth, they feel like they could go to this man, and there's a lot of things that's still being done to this man, you know, who put breath in our body, you know. They just walk past him, you know. Even in a time like this, I just don't want to be that type of person. If y'all will ever to understand me. I see how they prostitute them. I see how they do. What else to do but to take my mind back to a time. Even on that story. Where would I place myself? Would I stone them, nail them, or I would help them? I'll be one of them to help them. So as long as I remain a soldier for him, because he got my ticket. And he know what time it is. And yeah, he also have my pass. My easy pass. You understand? So I really don't care what human or people say that can bleed like me. And throughout my whole journey, and even now, I just believe in the Most High. I do not believe in man. He have to tell me and confirm that for my soul. Because, look, I didn't have... He chose me to be here. And when I fully get to my destination, I'm not... Listen, I told y'all I can do it. And it will be a different type of person sitting in front of y'all. And y'all definitely won't like that. Because I'll call everything out. You know what I'm saying? So, I just want y'all to understand that looks are deceiving, sounds are deceiving. Balance out and balance out for good, not bad. Not for them have, you see, nice house, nice car. Without a good heart, it's nothing. That's just something that is just for real. Ain't nobody gonna look. My peoples is not gonna look at that because you see, my Jamaican people, they don't really have time for a lot. What's next? They're not equipped. They're not prepared. And time ain't gonna keep on telling me, trust God. Like I love the people that pray and whatever they going through because of, you know, folks. And I'm talking about the real ones, not these, come on. And I'm talking about the real ones. I like when they leave everything up to Jesus. I like when they leave it up to him and say, Lord, fight my battle. Because y'all yet to believe when people, real people, say, fight my battle, y'all really think that this man gonna come down here or from around the corner and do it. Like he don't work through people. He don't work through his children. He ain't never gonna kill. As a matter of fact, he don't care who he work or who he snatch up sometime. And I always tell him I'm available. I want to work for his trash company, his cleanup service. I want to work for his telemarketing. It ain't like he don't see it. But once y'all act like y'all can't take a telling, you know, leave certain things alone. The people are there for you, to, you know, to do all the negativity to. All over. But y'all choose to do it to the wrong people all the time. And this is where y'all lose. No logical reason. No nothing. Just empty. If they ever get hit with this, tell me for the last almost 6 years, or lose y'all status and go back where y'all come from. You think they're gonna pass it? The Lord love y'all to light, and Ping Ping love y'all to light. I don't think if I ever sit here one day and just be clean and stuff like that and talk to you guys to ask y'all, really do y'all understand what y'all are doing on a daily basis just by the way how y'all move. See, a person like me, I explain to y'all about views. I care about the truth. Good morning. I don't care about none of the things that y'all think. I put the Most High before a device. Anything, as a matter of fact. And that's just something that I have to do. I just got to pay him back that way. Because of where he brought me from and so many experiences. You know what I'm saying? So many stories on top of stories. Experience. Without experience, you're nothing. But if you want to learn before your experience, then those are the people that I mess with. I mess with people that always have an open door for this man upstairs because I could see it. Other people can see it. It's the energy. And, you know, like me, for real, like the real side of me, like apologize for, you know what I'm saying, like all the negativity, like the drunkard spirit, bad mind spirit, envious spirit. I really apologize to good people because, you see, those are people that will remind somebody, even if they walk in across social media, will remind them and put them back in a bad position. See, I'm just here to spin that if they ever to see, because I'm not going to put none of my videos private. Anything I do will be public. You know what I'm saying? So, It's just something to spin people's head, yo. The amount of time that I feel like I can't speak about everybody. My peoples. Like, with that blood, y'all be messing up sometimes. On a careless, on a slack. On always try to spin the narrow, you know. On always try to do certain things. And, you know what I mean? Like, my behavior is to protect my spirit, my energy, and to just walk and tell the truth. That's it. Walk and tell the truth. Here, near, and far. What I speak upon and what I'm against. A lot of people suffer from that on a daily basis, and they don't have no voice. They just locked in. Sometimes they don't even know who to talk to, because everything that they try to do either been held down or something. Now, the whole 9 yards. And I'm not a perfect person at all. I have to learn these things, because usually I never would care. I would never care. When my parents, you know, was in the living, I would never care, child. I'm worse than supposed to, like, not care, because I see what I see. Down to the little dividing on here, I see what I see. Y'all will be surprised how some of these people, how they react, and thinking that people don't know because you don't speak upon it. But I wouldn't give it out to make anyone feel no type of way right now. Like, I wouldn't. But a lot of things, before it ever get better out here in this diaspora, which for that clarity and that peace, that whole peace across the board, it's never going to work until certain things come out. You know what? We, the good people, is better than these people. Actually, I can't speak for everyone, right? These people make me a better person when I see them.